All right, guys, so you have just finished listening to Miss Hamilton read Abuela's Weave. And if you look in the packet, this packet, it looks like this in a Ziploc bag that Miss Hamilton and Miss Smith delivered to your house, you will find some papers that are paper clipped together. You've got a black paper, let's take off the paper clip, that you can open up like this, and it has some cuts in it. And then you have different color strips of paper. So what you're going to do is you're going to weave your colored strips in and out of your black paper. So this is how it's going to go, friends. I'm going to go ahead and stick. We can use a stapler, or you can use some glue to start your paper at the top. I'm just going to staple it. If you use glue, it might take a minute for the glue to dry so that this stays in place. So I've got that one on the top, and then I'm going to go in the next hole, so under, and then the next one's going to be, my pink is going to go over, under, over, under. So you see that? So now it looks like I've got pink, black, pink, black, pink, black. The pink is going under the black, over the black, under the black, over the black. All right, so then my next piece, I'm going to do kind of the same thing, but instead of starting on the top of the black, I'm actually going to start under the black. All right, so I'm under, my blue is under the black. So then I need to get it, I have to be very careful so that the paper doesn't tear. I'm going to pull the blue through, so under, over, under, over, under, over. And then I'm going to keep going until I get my whole thing full. And I'm just going to alternate. So now my next strip is going to start in the over position. Over, under, over the black, under the black. Isn't that cool? I'm weaving. I've got 2 left, friends. I'm going to go ahead and finish while you're watching. This time, remember, I started under, over. What do I need to do next? Under, over, under, over. Got 1 left, friends. This time I'm going to start on the top. I'm going to start over the black. All right, so am I going to leave it like that? No, I need to go, I started over, so what do I need to do on my next piece? I need to go under the black, you're right. Just 1. Over, under. Now I'm going over again. Over, under, over, under. I need to pull it through the hole. Over, under, over, under, over. 1 more. Under. Look, I made a weave. I made a weaving, almost like, it's not really a blanket because it's not big enough, obviously, and it's made out of paper, but it's kind of like the tapestry or the blanket that Esperanza made in her story. So now I've got some extra paper that's hanging out down here. It's hanging off the edge. I'm just going to cut those off. There we go. It's done. If you make this at home, you can bring it back to school when we come back, and Miss Hamilton and Miss Smith can laminate it. You know, that means to put the plastic over it so that you can use it as a placemat at your table maybe. So once it's laminated, it's harder to mess it up. So if you do your weaving and you would like to have it laminated, bring it back to school when we come back. I would love to see your creations. Parents, this is something that we would have done in a small group, so they would have had lots of guidance and help. So feel free to help them with the over/under process, but make sure that you allow them the chance to manipulate the paper. And I can't wait to see your designs. Thanks.